Hi K2. I hope you guys have had a wonderful and relaxing spring break. I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy. I wanted to go over this week's new math lessons. So by today, you guys should be on day 6 according to the pacing guide, and this will be the first page you see on your packet for day 6. So what we're doing is we will be subtracting using problem solving, and we've done a lot of this in class. So let's go over the first example. So example 1 says that there are 12 cars parked, and we can see that there's 12 cars parked and 9 cars drive away. So we want to know how many cars are left. One way I can do this is by xing them out the way we have in class. So I would put 9 x's to show that 9 cars have driven away. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So now we can see 9 cars drove away, and that's what they showed here. These are the 9 that drove away. So how many are left? We can count 1, 2, and 3 cars are left. So 3 cars drove away. So 12 minus 9 is 3. Okay. For example 2, it is exactly the same way. Only this time they gave us the answer, and it's our job to find out how many boats sailed away. So let's look at the picture, and we have 9 sailboats. We have 9 sailboats, but they said there were 5 left. So we have to see how many sailed away for there to be 5. So I'm going to use my little X, and let's cross out 1, 2. Are there 5 left? Let's count them. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I still need to X more of them out. Now let's count them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many sailed away? There were 4 that sailed away, the 4 that we put our X's on. So 9 minus 4 equals 5, and that is correct. So I'm giving it a check mark. Okay. So that is how you will be doing lesson 2. I hope that you found this video helpful and that you guys can use it to complete the rest of the problems. Thank you.